Hello, in this video we will see how to send discount coupon code via WhatsApp to abandoned cart on Woocommerce and recover lost carts. It is recommended that you see video how to send recovery WhatsApp messages for abandoned cart orders in Woocommerce first. The link is given in the description. So select Woocommerce. Under Woocommerce, go to cart abandonment. Go to settings, scroll down. Now here, after you have installed the plugin and activated it, make sure that all the options under disable tracking for are unticked and all the options under exclude email sending for are ticked. Now scroll down. Here, select this option, create coupon code. Now you can select the discount type you want to set here. So I am setting a percentage discount and percentage amount, for example 5%. And coupon will expire after, for example, let's keep this 3 hours. So the user can get an incentive to order as they are getting a special discount if they use this coupon within 3 hours. Then click on Save Changes. Now we will set a webhook. So go to Automations Builder, select a trigger, webhook, custom webhook. Let's add a title and generate hook. Copy the webhook URL. Here in webhook settings, we will enable webhook. Paste the webhook URL here and then simply save changes. Now again in the automation builder, let's capture our data first. So I'll click on capture incoming webhook. Now let's add a product to our cart and leave it. So select options, add to cart, proceed to checkout. Enter your details here and just leave this. Now let's wait for our data to be captured. We have received data here. So let's see, show received data. Here we have got name, checkout URL and coupon code. So a unique coupon code is also generated when the cart is abandoned. Let's save this data. Now we'll add another template message block. So go to CRM, send template message, select channel here. So here the template we are adding is this one. Hello, we noticed that you added this product to your cart. Use coupon code this and place order within 3 hours to get 5% off. So let's select our template here. Here WhatsApp number will be 91 and phone number. Body variable 1 will be product names and body variable 2 will be coupon code. Save this, save your workflow and enable it. And now your automation is made. Thank you.